Good evening, everybody. It's Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton with your Wednesday evening webcast. About 7 o'clock in the evening here. We've seen a fairly wet and windy day today with a couple of strong storms to come overnight tonight and tomorrow. More waves of the storm, I should say. Let's get out and show you what we saw in terms of the rainfall today. Very impressive totals. More than an inch in Newport, almost 2 inches as you get to Florence. Picked up about 1.25 inches in Corvallis, and it should be 0.64 in Eugene. More than half an inch here in the southern Willamette Valley, and about 0.2 down towards Roseburg. There's more coming. In fact, this first wave that's moved on through now, we've got a bit of a break in the action. I'll get in a little closer and show you what we're looking at here. However, you still see some of that convective activity just offshore. These showers firing up as they get closer to the radar sweep. And then there's the low driving all of this that is going to continue to move closer to the coastline here as we get into the overnight hours. Basically kind of point itself to the northwest coastline as we go into your early Thursday morning. As you might expect, there's lots of watches and warnings out there as well. High wind warnings have been extended up and down the coastline, go all the way through 1 o'clock Thursday afternoon. Storm warnings, gale warnings, hazardous seas expected out off the not off the shore as well, where we could see wind gusts 30 to 45 knot winds, and also looking at seas and swells over 14 to 20 feet. Avalanche warnings out for loose slabs of snow as you get up into the northern Cascades. Very unstable snowpack in parts where it's just very, very warm, and so it's continuing to break up for backpackers and snowshoers, for example. So overnight tonight, we'll keep the temperatures mild as well, sitting in the low 50s. Coos Bay and Roseburg around 51 in Corvallis and Eugene. So those two areas of low pressure will work together and continue to work their way in over the next 24 hours. So watch our stormcast as we'll take it. Stop it right about 8 o'clock in the morning. The lows just off of the southern Washington coastline. Expect to see some strong rain, or heavy rain, I should say, and strong winds. And then back in behind that as well, as this high-pressure ridge moves in quickly, I do expect to see another round of breezy conditions Thursday afternoon. By Friday, we should start to see the morning fog give breaks to some partial afternoon sunshine. We'll also see the temperatures continue to stay mild, and that next batch of rain out there, that'll be pushing through as we head in towards your Saturday afternoon and evening. We'll have much more details on that coming up on KZI 9 News tonight at 11, including the latest timing from our computer models. If you want to check out your forecast for the rest of the 7-day, all you have to do is head on over to the weather page. Check that out as well. Until then, have yourselves a great and safe Wednesday evening, and as always, thanks for logging on to KZI.com.